students, today I am going to start a new chapter. Before that, let me ask you some questions relating to that chapter. My first question is, which word do we use in place of noun? And my second question is there, how many kinds of those words which we use in place of nouns? So students, the answer of my first question is, the word which we use in place of noun is a pronoun. And how many kinds? There are 10 kinds of pronouns. What is a pronoun? Which word we use in place of noun? A word which we use in place of noun is called a pronoun. And there are 10 kinds of pronouns. See students, when we write 4 or 5 lines or any paragraph, at that time we are not supposed to repeat the nouns. But in that place, we have to write some other words. That is called pronoun, right? And for example, Saina Nehwal is a sports person. Saina plays badminton. See here, the both sentences are about Saina. So at that time, we are not supposed to repeat Saina. But what we have to write? Saina Nehwal is a sports person. She plays badminton. Right? In place of Saina Nehwal is a person. In place of that, we have to write she. The racket lying on the table belongs to Saina Nehwal. And again, we are not supposed to write Saina Nehwal. The racket lying on the table is hers, right? So examples of pronouns. What are the examples of pronouns? That is I, we, you, he, she, her, right? They, their, them, myself, etc. Now what are the features of pronouns? A pronoun is used in place of a noun. See students, all of you know that a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. It indicates position, asks question, points out objects, and so on. It indicates position, mine, hers. These types of words are you ask questions, we ask questions, right? And point out object, right? That is called demonstrative pronoun. That we will learn in detail, right? The noun for which pronoun stands, it is said antecedent. The noun for which a pronoun is said means हम जिस noun के लिए वो word pronoun use करते हैं, that is called antecedent. So here the example of Saina Nehwal, in that Saina Nehwal is the antecedent of the pronouns she and hers. Now there are types of pronouns. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, distributive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, relative pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. Now today we will learn personal pronouns. Now what is personal pronouns? See, personal pronouns are those pronouns which replace name of persons or things. What is personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are those pronouns which replace names of person or thing. Means कोई person or thing के place पे we have written pronoun, that is called personal pronoun, right? And for example, Seema is a new student. Earlier she was studying in Bangalore. Now here she is called a personal pronoun because it is used for Seema. Now uses of personal pronouns. How we use personal pronouns? Uses of personal pronouns, they refer to 3 persons, namely first, second and third person, and genders, namely female, male and neuter. How we use uses of personal pronouns are, they refer to 3 persons, first person, second person and third person. And for genders, it is male, female and neuter, right? Now next is, what is first person? First person means the speaker of the sentence. What is the first person? The speaker of the sentence. जो sentence जो person बोलते हैं वो खुद के लिए क्या use करते हैं, that is called first person. For example, if I say I am a teacher, so here I am the speaker of the sentence, right? So I have used for myself. And if there are many And what we will say, we are students is used by the speaker. जो बोलते हैं उन्होंने अपने लिए यूज किया है we are students. Second person, the person spoken to, that is you. What is second person? The person spoken to, किसी के साथ बात करना directly. First person खुद बोलने वाला, I and we. And second person spoken to whom we are talking. For example, you are a good student. You go and take your book. You buy a chocolate. You bring one book from the table. Means you is used for the person to whom we are talking. Directly बात करना, that is called second person. Third person is the person that the speaker is talking about. Means for example, if I am talking with someone about the third person, किसी और के साथ, मैं आपके साथ किसी और के बारे में बात करती हूँ, तो that person is called third person. For example, if I am talking with you, that Ram is a good boy. So I am talking about what? I am talking about whom? Ram. So now Ram is a third person. मैं आपके साथ बात कर रही हूँ किसी और के बारे में, right? So Ram is the third person. Now what pronoun we use for the third person? As Ram is a boy, so we use he. He is a good boy. He is studying in 9th standard. That is, right? Now for example, girl, right? If we say Shaina Nehwal is a player. Now I am talking about Shaina Nehwal, means she is third person. Now what is the third person pronoun for the female? That is she. She is a badminton player, right? So first person speaker, I, we, second person spoken to, you, and third person spoken about, right? That is he, she, it, they, etc. Right? Now there are two types of personal pronouns. See, personal pronouns are of also two types. That is subjective and objective. Now what is subjective pronoun? When the pronoun is used as the subject of the sentence, means किसके बारे में बोला है, that is called subject. You know very well that what is a subject, about whom the sentence is. That is called the sentence. So when the pronoun is used as the subject of the sentence, they are called subjective pronouns. And what is objective pronouns? See students, object always comes after the verb. So when the pronouns are used as object, right, that it is called objective pronouns. Let's see some examples. Subjective pronouns that play the role of a subject in a sentence. It is used as the pronoun which is used as a subject in a sentence is called subjective. And what is objective? Pronouns that play the role of object in a sentence. Means it is used, the pronouns which is used as object is called objective pronouns. Let's see the example. I am participating in competition with him. I am means here I is used as a subject, right? Because as it is sentence is about I. So here I plays the role of a subject. So I is said to be in the subjective pronoun. And objective pronouns that play the role of object in a sentence, means which comes after the verb. I am participating in the competition with him. Means it comes as a object. So it is called objective pronouns. Now next is possessive pronouns. Now what is possessive? Possessive pronouns are those which shows the possession or ownership. Next is possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns are those pronouns which shows possession and ownership. This book is mine. That book is yours. The book lying on the table is mine. The book lying on the table is yours, right? So we use mine for ourselves, yours for you, for her we use hers, means these types of hers, his, theirs, ours, these types of words are used to show the possession. What is possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns are those which show possession or ownership. The book lying, there is mine, and on the table are hers. The book which is lying on the table, that is mine, मेरी है, it shows the possession, and hers is किसी girl की, right? Now which type of, here the one table is given, which type of possessive pronouns we use? For the first person, now first person is I and we, right? First person pronoun is I and we. Now for I as a possessive pronoun, what we use? Mine. I, for I, possessive pronoun is mine. And for we, possessive pronoun is ours. First person I and we. Now possessive pronouns for I is mine and we, ours. Second person is you. Second person is you. Now what is possessive pronoun for you? That is yours, right? Third person are he, she, it, right? And they. Now for he, possessive pronoun is his. For he, possessive pronoun is his. And for she, possessive pronoun is hers. H-E-R-S, hers. And they, it is theirs. For they, it is theirs. Right, students? Now next is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are words that indicates nouns in a sentence. Right? And point out the noun. And we use T-H-I as this, T-H-E as this, T-H-A-T that, T-H-O-S-E those, right? Such. This is the pen I was looking for. See, T-H-I as this is used for the singular noun which is near to us, and T-H-E-S-E this is used for the plural nouns which are near to us. I repeat, T-H-I as this is for used for singular noun which is near to us. Right? This is the book I was looking for. See, here the singular book is there. So we have to use this. अब ज़्यादा है मेरे पास. At that time, T-H-E-S. These are the books which I was looking for. Means for plural which is near to us, we use this, T-H-E-S this. And for the thing which is far from us and it is singular, we use that. And if they are plural, then we use those. Right? Yeah. So students, today we have learned pronoun, personal pronoun, possessive pronoun and demonstrative pronouns. Pronoun means a word which is used in place of noun is called a pronoun. Personal pronouns, the pronouns which are used for the persons and things, right? They are called personal pronouns. And there are first person, second person and third person. First person is speaker, second person is spoken to, and third person is spoken about. Possessive pronouns means the pronouns which shows the possession or ownership, right? And demonstrative pronouns are words that indicate a noun in a sentence. Thank you, students.
आभार।